how to control your computer's audio during your live stream. Hello everyone, I'm Gilherme from JMV Technology, and today I'll show you how to control your computer's audio during your live stream. Sometimes we need to broadcast audio from an app or browser in our stream, and previously the only option was to add all computer audio to OBS. This meant that any audio playing on your computer would be captured in your stream. Today, obs-studio has a feature that lets us control this much better. We're talking about the application audio capture beta option. Make sure your OBS is updated, as this feature is only available in the latest versions. To learn more about our live streaming services, here's our QR code. Now let's open OBS Studio. When we want to capture computer audio, we just go to this desktop audio option and unmute it, which captures any audio from your PC. Now we can create a source within the scene and select the beta app audio capture option. With this, we can select separate audio sources, like picking audio from your Spotify or even YouTube. You can select any open software. Let's name it, which is important, so you can identify where the audio is coming from. After this, we have all the options currently open on your computer, so you can select whichever one you want. Once you activate the audio for your selected option, it will show levels here in the audio section where you can control its volume. This is the volume that will output in your stream or recording, allowing you to capture computer audio and control which sources go live. In this tutorial, we're starting a broadcast, but on our YouTube, you can find a tutorial covering this part in detail. I'll leave it here on our card and in the description. And to learn more about live streaming, I'll leave our free course on this topic in the description. So that's it. If you like this, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media.